Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Today's event could not have come at a better time than now, given the growing insecurity in the country. In the past weeks, we've been saddened by the spate of killing of security personnel in their line of duty and destruction of security infrastructure, as well as assets of other public institutions in Nigeria, particularly in the Southeast zone. The civilian population have also not been spared the kinds of robbery and kidnapping. It is our expectation that this occasion will herald the rejigging and retooling of the internal security architecture in the Southeast geopolitical zone to bring it up to speed with the emerging dimensions of criminality. That expectation, in my judgment, seems more realizable with the reassuring presence of the Acting Inspector General of Police here today. Our administration fully understands that the primary purpose of government is the security and welfare of the people, as enshrined in Section 14, subsection 2B of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. Pursuant to this leadership responsibility, we have strengthened our Neighborhood Watch Association, established a Enugu State Forest Guard, which was a novel initiative of the Southeast Governors Forum, and provided security patrol vehicles and communication gadgets to support the security agencies in our state. We have institutionalized functional cooperation between our Neighborhood Watch Group, Forest Guards, and security agencies, especially in the area of intelligence sharing. The Enugu State Security Trust Fund law is in place to ensure sustainable funding for security agencies in our state. The deployment of our automated drone surveillance solution to give the needed impetus to our security surveillance is underway. We've more rested on our oars in providing a safe and secure environment for residents to live, work, and enjoy life. This operation will restore peace for the Southeast geopolitical zone is therefore both timely and most compelling. And I congratulate the Acting Inspector General of Police and his team for this great initiative. I assure you of our administration on fishing cooperation and support for this project as we earnestly look forward to the positive change in the security narrative of Southeast in the coming days. Finally, I wish you a very successful event. Thank you and God bless.
I believe His Excellency deserves a louder round of applause.